Welcome to this exciting journey where we blend cybersecurity, web design, content creation, and AI technologies. Today, we're diving into a project that aims to educate and inspire, offering insights into these dynamic fields. My journey began in cybersecurity, driven by a passion for digital safety and solving complex challenges. Over the years, I've built a strong foundation, and now I'm eager to share my knowledge and explore innovative security solutions. On this channel, you'll witness the integration of SIEM tools and log analysis to protect websites from cyber threats. We'll explore practical steps to maintain security and ensure a safe digital environment for all users. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in content creation and monetization. I'll demonstrate how AI can help produce engaging content and share strategies to become a profitable content creator using these advanced technologies. For aspiring cybersecurity professionals and content creators, this channel offers mentorship and inspiration. I'll provide guidance, share industry insights, and motivate you to pursue your passions and achieve your career goals. Why follow this channel? We cover a wide range of topics, from cybersecurity to AI and content monetization. Each video combines technical insights with inspiring content, aiming to inform and motivate you to start your own projects. Join me as we explore the potential of AI and cybersecurity in transforming digital spaces. Together, we'll learn how to secure websites, create impactful content, and discover new ways to generate income using innovative technologies. Thank you for being part of this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guidance and insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue to explore the exciting world of AI and cybersecurity.